My faceless Instagram accounts have generated over 5 figures in passive income. I started building Instagram accounts 2 years ago knowing almost nothing, and now I have turned this into a profitable business. It almost runs entirely on autopilot. If you follow the blueprints that I share with you today, there is no doubt in my mind that you will have similar results. So without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Start an Instagram account about something you're passionate about. You are going to be spending a lot of time making content around this topic, so it needs to be something that you are actually interested in. If not, you'll probably start to go mad and lose motivation. I have grown successful accounts in motivational quotes. You can start on a topic that you are interested in. Step 2. Download the editing tools. If you are gonna run this account, you are going to need a video editor for Reels and a simple designing app to create posts. If you're looking for the easiest budget options, then CapCut is really good for video editing, and PicsArt or Canva is great for creating designs for posts. Step 3. We need to start making posts. But in order to do this effectively, we are going to need to understand how the Instagram algorithm works. Today, if you want to go viral and grow quickly, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Likes don't matter anymore. When you create your content, Instagram's algorithm actually places far more attractions on these 3 things. Watch time, meaning how long someone spends looking at your content. Saves, meaning how many times viewers click to save the content, and shares, meaning how many times viewers share the content to their story or send it to a friend. According to the information I found online, the typical time spent looking at a post on Instagram is between 3 and 5 seconds. For saves, it's 5 people for every 1,000. For shares, it's about 2 shares for every 1,000 people. So if we think about this, for every 1,000 people watching your content, 5 people save it for later and 2 of them share it. Step 4, which is creating viral reels. Since TikTok started to rise, Instagram has been pushing Reels more than ever. This has created a huge window of opportunities for people like you and me to grow an audience faster than ever. Now let me show you how to create some simple viral videos. We can come to ChatGPT and ask it to provide us some simple motivational quotes. Remember, you will want to find a quote that has a strong hook. Once you find one you like, we need to create a voiceover. You can use your own voice, or you can use an AI voice to match the theme of the reel. I would recommend to use 11 Labs for AI voices. Afterwards, I'll ask Midjourney to create some photos for us to use in the reel. Step 5. Now that you have created your content, it's time to start sharing. But before you post, make sure that you're sure on these 3 things. Number 1. Will people stop and look at this post for a few seconds? Number 2. Will people want to share this to their story or send it to a friend? And finally, number 3. Will people comment on it and share their opinions? Screenshot this part or come back to this part of the video, because this is literally my secret formula of Instagram growth. So back to step 5. You should only post 1 or 2 times a day. My recommendation is to always focus on quality instead of quantity. Step 6. Repeat what is working. For example, I noticed that my audience responded really well to edited reels, so I started doubling down on them and it worked super well. I'll be going over all the results in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed. Stay consistent and post every day. Most people just give up. If you focus on being consistent, then it just becomes a battle of outlasting everyone else, which is far more achievable goal. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe for more like this in the future.